Welcome to the AnimeAltVerse. This is Familiar Faces Reborn, Post-Apocalyptic Edition, Part 50. Akko Kagari stands defiant among decaying ruins. Her patched Luna Nova uniform and battered staff blaze with stubborn magic. Tyler Durden stalks the city's skeleton, chaos and revolution in his wake. His wild grin shines through the dust and neon haze. Meryl Streep leads her band of survivors with every step, silver hair and battle-worn coat blowing in the toxic dust. Roberto Baggio glides through overgrown stadiums, football under his arm, eyes set on the distant horizon. Shrek lumbers across the chaos, armored and scarred, defending his swamp sprite kin and fairy tale friends in the shadows. Even at the world's end, hope, courage, and legend endure as 5 more faces enter the AnimeAltVerse.